everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can customize your iPhone with different lock screen and home screen wallpapers. What you need to do is just go to the settings, and under settings you need to swipe up, and there's an option in iOS 18.4 wallpaper. Just tap on the wallpaper, and as you see that there's an option add new wallpaper. You need to tap it again, and from here you can select different wallpapers of your home screen and lock screen. You can select any of your home screen from here. There are multiple options which you can see in swiping up, which is the built-in option you have. You can also adjust any of your photo. These are the suggested recommended photos which I can put it on as a lock screen or home screen. And furthermore, I can choose from my photos. I can choose from people, live photo, emoji, color, and other things. I can put it on as a wallpaper. So that's how it is easy. For example, I'm going to take one as an example to show you how to set it up. For example, like this, I'm liking this home screen and lock screen. Just tapping on it, and it's asking for the location. Just like this, I can choose different styles of this, and just like this, it's looking pretty cool. So just you need to tap on this add button and it will be your home screen just like this. You can set it just for a home screen, or you can set it as a lock screen and home screen as a pair. So I'm going to select it as a pair, and now my home screen and my lock screen is changed. So that's how you actually change your wallpaper or customize your lock screen or home screen. I hope this video helping out and in changing the wallpaper. Until next video, bye bye.